YouTube? It's your girl Sharishana. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is long overdue, okay? You guys have been asking, girl, where's that haul you promised us from the Crayon case? And it's here. So I actually ordered on the Crayon case a while ago. They had a Taxmas sale, and let me tell you, this sale was a good sale, you guys. It was 40% off of the entire site, and I had a little bit of type moments. Pretty much when the sale first initially started, the sale prices did not generate. And I didn't want to go through the drama of paying full price when it's supposed to be 40% off. So I had my cart stocked with stuff and I wanted to check out, but the pricing was not, the sale was not activated yet, and you weren't supposed to need codes. So I kept refreshing the page, refreshing. And by the time the sale prices came up and the sale was discounted, some of the things in my cart were gone, and I was highly upset. But things do happen. I purchased some things because things were going fast. Like, things were selling out immediately. So I just purchased everything that I had in my cart at that time. And then all the other things I purchased on the same exact day right after. So when it was time for the packages to come out, they had a huge delay in shipping. Congratulations to Super Scent and Lou. They welcomed their beautiful baby girl. Oh, she is so gorgeous. And so life happened. And now the packages have finally arrived. And I'm really happy that they arrived. They're here. I got 2 packages. So this is the small box and this is my large box. So I got quite a few items. I'm going to show you guys what I got, and let's just go right into the video. Why not? Why prolong it, right? Let's start with the small box first. So in the small box, this is what the box looks like. On the inside, it has her logo, which I love that it's on the inside. And on the outside, it just looks like a regular brown box. All right, so in this package, I got 4 of the pink erasers. And this is actually makeup sponges. So I got a couple in my other packet too. It comes in 2s. So I got 2 sets. I got 4 blending sponges. Like, you can never, these blending sponges are so soft, and I got 4 of them. I picked up 4 because, I mean, why not, right? 40% off, why not? I picked me up a compact mirror. I'll take it out of here. It comes in this little velvet pouch, which is super cute. I love velvet, by the way. And it comes in a cute little velvet pouch. You take it out and it has a protector for the glass. And the back of it is like a cute, like, little ring, like a diamond ring. I love it. This is so freaking cute. But this is a mirror, so pretty much it's a mirror. Don't need to, you guys know what mirrors look like. It's a round mirror. So that's what I got as well. I picked up the brush cleaner because I really wanted to try theirs out. I do use a regular sponge to clean my brushes, but I decided to try theirs out. So I'll let you know if I like it. I picked up 2 eyebrow brushes. It comes with like the brush on one end and the spoolie on the other. And I decided to just pick up 2 of those. I picked up the number 2 brush. This is supposed to be really good for highlighter. This brush is super soft, okay? It's soft. The bristles are just, oh my God. I can't wait to use this baby. This is what they call the #2 brush. I absolutely love it. I guess it's supposed to be for your highlight and stuff, but I'll see. Brushes for me are multi-purpose. They're gonna work for whatever I want it to work for. So we'll see what if I end up using this for highlighter or not. And the last thing that I have in the small box are the highlighters, the Crayon Case highlighters. So I decided to get a highlighter for underneath my eye, and I got this in #9. It's this cute color here. And this is supposed to be the same color as Fawn, if I'm not mistaken, from LA Pro Girl. And I use Fawn to do my brows. Lately, I've been using ColourPop, but I'll talk about that later. But I've been using, normally I use my LA Pro Girl concealer in Fawn, and this is supposed to be the same color, so we'll see how that works. And then for my contour, a liquid contour, I got this color, and this is in #21. I think this is the darkest shade that they have in the highlighter, which is basically concealer. But I'm not sure if this is the darkest shade. I think this is the darkest shade. But if it's not, you'll see that it's not. But I really think it is. And I'm going to be using this for my contour color. So that's what I got in the small box. So now let's get on to the big box. Ooh. So this is the big box, and it's filled with stuff, you guys. All right. So you guys already know that I have the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette, which is legit one of my favorite palettes to this day. I love that palette. And I also love the Crayon Case Box of Crayons palette as well. I have both of those palettes. I unfortunately did not get the matte book palette, and I did not get the art pigments, which is what I absolutely wanted. But they did restock today. So because they restocked today, I'm not gonna wait for a sale. I'm just gonna pick up those items because that's OD what I wanted. I wanted it OD. I might wait for another sale, but I don't know if I want to do that. Sales are amazing, so maybe I should wait for a sale, but I gotta be on it. And they gotta have their coupon ready, because I was ready to check out. But let me show you what I got, and let me stop ranting and raving and show you what I got in this box. So I got the Judy brush. And I did not open it yet. So let me open it now. Ooh. Ooh, this feels so good. Wow. Ooh, this is super soft. So, ooh, I like this. The brush, #1, is so cute. It reminds me of a mermaid. I don't know why, but well, yeah, I do. Because of the shape of it. It reminds me of a mermaid. But I absolutely love this brush. It feels, ooh, it's so soft. And it's so pretty. So I'm really happy. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. I'm happy about this. I'm happy about this brush, you guys. I decided to also get the new, well, not the new because it's not new, but it's called the New Rule palette. And this is their nude palette. So I picked that up. And this is great because you guys know I love neutrals. And I love this. Look at this. It's like legit a ruler. I love it. And what's so cute about this is it has mile, yard, foot, inch, parsec, light year, astronomical unit, kilometer, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, and meter. So guys, this is too cute. Like, I love this. So it is a neutral palette. There's lots of neutral colors, and I'm a neutral lover, so I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this palette. Most def. So I could not pass up trying, you guys, the chalk dust because I love setting powder. Like, I love setting powder. You guys know I have I have an OD amount of setting powder. So I decided to pick up 3 because I didn't know which one would be perfect for me. I definitely picked up Y, which is the darkest setting powder that they had. And the reason why I picked up Y was because I wanted it to set my contour. This is gonna work for my contour because I use the medium deep in ColourPop most of the time to set my contour. It's the only dark contour powder that I have. I am gonna try Fenty, but chalk dust I've been craving. I wanted to look at chalk dust for the longest time, so I got Y. I picked up N, and I also picked up O. And I was only going to pick up N, but when I saw Supa's try O, and she's kind of close to my complexion, I think. So when I saw her trying O, I'm like, I think I could probably get away with wearing O. So I got O, but then I also thought N would be perfect for me. So I got N too. So we're just going to see which one works the best. I didn't open N yet, but I did open O. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Tell me this is not cute though. Like, tell me this is not cute. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a powder puff. And I won't be using that. And you just kind of lift it open. So it comes with a powder puff. You can see the color is like yellow. It's more on the yellow side. But it comes with a puff. And the puff says the Crayon case on it, which I love. And then the powder is in here and it's protected. It's very protected. I wanted to feel like the consistency of the powder, and it is really, really nice and creamy in texture. It's not grainy. So I know this is going to be like really, really good. And the color looks like it's going to work really well for me as well. So I'm excited about this. I wanted to try their whiteout eyeliner pencil, well, eyeliner felt tip marker. I wanted to get black, but the black was sold out, but I definitely got the white one. I am going to use it, you guys. Like, this is not a drill. I will be using it. But this is their whiteout shake and draw. It's an eyeliner pen. And this is going to be nice when I want to do my detail cut creases and all that jazz. I picked up 3 more sets of the pink erasers and got 3 more sets of those. I picked up a liquid lipstick in Graveyard, and this is a really pretty color. It's like a really dark purple. I picked up their washable eye glue stick, and this is basically like, how would I say it? Yeah, it's like primer for your eyelids. So I picked this up and it's so cute because it legit looks like school glue, like Elmer's school glue, and I love it. I picked up this contortion notebook, and it basically is a contour kit, and it's a powdered contour kit. So I picked this up. I picked up 2 lip glosses. One is in Clean Kisses, and the other one is in Pecan Poppin'. So these are 2 lip glosses that I picked up from them. And last but not least, I picked up the Crayon Case Honor Roll Highlighter. And I'm really excited about this too. It is like gold, honey. It is gold. And you know you winning when you have gold highlighter. So this is what the Honor Roll highlighter looks like. It is gold. It's gold. They weren't playing. Ooh, it's beautiful, you guys. Do you see this? Do you see this? Yes, so I'm really happy. That completes my Crayon Case haul. They did give me a coupon. However, it expired the day before I got my package, so I can't use it. But we'll see if they're gonna come and give other coupons or something like that. I don't know. But that's it for my crayon case haul. I hope you guys liked the goodies that I got. Let me know what you got if you purchased anything in the Taxman sale, or if you've purchased from the crayon case in general. Let me know what your favorite product was, and let me know if you would repurchase it. With the things that I got, I'm definitely going to be trying all of them out. I have so much videos that I need to film, honestly, because I have so much makeup. It is ridiculous at this point. So I'm going to be filming lots of videos using all this makeup that I have and all the makeup that is to come, because I do have another makeup haul coming really soon. I bought some more brushes and some more makeup, so you guys will see that. You guys will see another makeup haul. And yeah, so there's lots more videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, go ahead and share this video to all your friends and fans and loved ones and your people them and stuff like that. And leave me some comments down below. Let's engage with each other a bit. I definitely want to know all about what you guys purchase and what kind of makeup and what kind of stuff you want to see from me in the future. So until next time, you guys, bye.